Hello guys, let's just briefly talk about UV unwrapping in Blender. So what is UV unwrapping? It is used to map a 2D image or a 2D texture onto the 3D object or any mesh, any 3D object in the scene. So for UV unwrapping, you have to go into the UV editing tab, and you can also do it in the shading tab. So you have to just first open your image or your 2D image which you want to put, and you have to just simply drag and drop here. It will be automatically in the texture, and you have to just simply, you can also drag and drop here this texture. For example, I will put this paper or wave texture on this object. So just change the UV image editor here, UV editor, and now you can see, if we go into the edit menu, you can see here this cube is automatically unwrapped. It is unwrapped earlier by default, and you can select the faces here. Like I select this face, it will be show there in this menu. This face is this, and these are the all faces in the Blender. So if you select all faces, you can see all faces here, and you can also select it by here, by edge select and by face select, like this face. If you want to see in the both direction, just click on this double arrow, sync selection mode. So then you can see all of the object here, and also if you select here, it will show at this window also. So this option is very useful, sync option. And now what is the reason you're not seeing the texture here is that you have to put the connection of this image texture to the base texture. Now you can see the cube is unwrapped. You have put the image texture on it. You can also use different options of UV unwrapping, like here UV unwrap. First option here is simple unwrap. Unwrap is just like to open your object skin onto a 2D, like this 2D plane. You have to just open, first you have to open your object skin on a 2D plane, and then you can map your whatever your image on this skin. So the first option is UV unwrap, is just unwrap the object with the mark seam, this mark seam, we will talk about it later. And the next is smart UV project. It is very useful option, it is very famous and very much people like it. And these two options are used is almost similar. It is in like grid form, and these cube projections, radical projection and sphere projection are similar to their name. Project from view, it is very useful. You can see if you click here, so this, you can see here, this will change. So it is unwrap on the base of the view of your view option. So you have to Control plus Z to go back, and these are the option: project from view, project from view bounds. It just stretch your views. And the first option here, to use it, you have to first make some seams, mark some seam on the object. What is marking seam? It is just like to tell Blender where to cut your, where from cut your object. In the edge select mode, for example, I just select these faces, these three edges here and these three edges here, and this one, here, and then Control plus E and mark seam. You can see here this red line, this mark seam is done. Now Blender will cut the cube with this reference edges. Now if we select all by pressing A and select unwrap, then it will unwrap or open your object skin or plane according to this mark seam options. So if we just click on the unwrap, you can see here all of the plane or skins or plane, this plane here, this face here will be, all faces will be unwrapped. So there are just three basic steps to unwrap your object. First you have to put a texture node onto the base node, and then you have to unwrap and then open your texture and map that texture onto that 3D image. So this is it, 3D object. So this is it for today lecture. Thanks for watching.